Hi, I'm a recent customer of Titan Upgrades, and I just want to tell you they did the most phenomenal job. They were so professional, they were on time, they finished early. They did my AC and heater. It was actually a new insert. I didn't have any AC or heater in the past, and they put it in and they did a really great job, and they actually went above and beyond and fixed a lot of the old wiring that I had in my basement. So I'm really grateful to them, and thank you so much, and I definitely would recommend them to anyone. Moving on.